Today on Favored by Odin. This is episode number 6 of FreeCodeCamp's JavaScript algorithms and data structures. We're working on the basic JavaScript module today. As always, we've got 5 lessons for you guys today. Our first lesson is escaping sequence in strings. Our second lesson was concatenating strings with plus operator. Number 3, concatenating strings with the plus equals operator. Constructing strings with variables and appending variables to strings. And that's our 5 lessons for today, guys. So in our first lesson today, we're learning how to use the backslash in JavaScript to exit out of single quotes, double quotes, backslash, new line, tab, carriage, return, word, boundary, and form feed. Those are all the different types of things that you can escape using the backslash operator. You can even use it for a backslash. So if you want to print a backslash in the console, then you've got to use 2 backslashes. But let's see what our assignment is here. Our assignment is the first line, second line, and third line. We want it to print out exactly like this in the console. So what we're going to do in our code here, we're going to say first, I'm just gonna, because I don't like to work, I'm gonna copy and paste this. Why do more than we have to? V backslash n for the new line. Oh, that's not a backslash. Backslash n, and then we want the second line with a backsplash in front of it. We're just going to call it a backsplash from now on. I'm from the construction industry, and I'm having a hard time saying backslash instead of backsplash. So when I say backsplash, it means backslash. All right, so we've got our backsplashes there. And then we want to go to the third line. Oh, we need to put a tab in here. So we're going to put a T here and then a backslash. Oh, that backsplash goes there. And then we're going to type in second line, or copy and paste it because we're lazy. And then backsplash n and third line. And that should return us the proper code. So Control Enter to check. And we are golden. You guys know what to do. Lesson number 2, or 27. Depends on how you're counting these lessons. Lesson number 2, today we are concatenating strings with the plus operator. What does concatenating mean? Concatenate. Concatenate is a verb. It means to link things together in a chain or series. With that said, today we are going to concatenate using the plus operator, and our assignment is to put this and this together using the plus operator. So, very easy. We're just going to go, there's a period there. This is the start. Control C to copy it. Control V. Then we're going to throw a plus sign in here for shits and giggles. And then we're going to throw some quotations in here. We're going to copy and paste. This is the end. Copy. Paste. And then we're going to check our code. Oh, we have to make sure that there's a space somewhere in here. One there or one there. We're just going to throw that right there. And that is that. Concatenate. 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 Lesson number 3. So in lesson number 3, we're going to learn how to shorten this up a little bit because as you guys learned in my last episode, you know, it's really nice to be able to shorten up our equations, and we can do the same thing here. So instead of concatenating the long way, like we just did, we could just use the plus equals operator, and that'll concatenate our string with the next line. So our assignment in this lesson is to build our string over several lines. So we're going to go, this is the first sentence, and this is the second sentence, and we're going to use the plus equals operator to do so. So first off, let my string equal. Then we're going to copy and paste this, Control C, throw some quotations in here, and V. This is the first sentence, and then we're going to make a second sentence, and so my string equals, or we're going to go plus equals space this. You know what? I don't know why I'm working harder than I need to. And that should do the trick. So let's check it. Backsplash. Concatenate.
Concatenate.
T. Time. Yummy. Lesson number 4. Guys, let's go. So lesson number 4, we're going to construct strings with variables. This is really simple. We're going to do it pretty much the same way as we were concatenating things. And so our assignment is to set my name to a string equal to your name and build my string with my name between the strings. My name is and I am well. And I am well. So since I don't know what your name is, I'm going to have to use my name. So my first name is Theodore. And my string is, don't forget to get the space, copy and paste, Control C, Control V. We got to throw a plus in here. Oops, that's an equals. Plus my name plus quotations, and then throw and I am well in here. Control C, Control V, and that should be everything. So let's check our code, and it works. Concatenate. Lesson number 5. Okay, so lesson number 5, appending variables to strings. This one's really easy, guys. We just need to put some adjective, 3 characters or more in here. So what's an adjective that we want to use, guys? Pretty cool. Cool. So we want this to print out learning to code is cool. So in order to do that, we need to go my string plus equals some adjective, and that's it, guys. That's the end of our lessons for today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to get notifications of all my newest content. You guys don't want to miss any of it. Today, as always, we have 5 lessons. Our first lesson is escape sequences in strings. Our second lesson is concatenating. So in our first lesson today, we're learning about the backsplash the backsplash. Okay, so lesson number 2 is concatenating strings with the plus operator. So just a little bit of history, or not history, but knowledge for you guys. Concatenate means to link. I looked up the definition. I'm going to restart this. So lesson number 5 today, we are... Oh, I'm in the way.